All right, today we are going to be making green eggs and Spam. Okay, Spam is a great meat, very fresh. This fresh can of Spam right here I just opened up. And I have eggs, brown eggs, but we're going to make them green. So let's get started, all right? So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to crack open the egg. Zzz. All right. Crack open the eggs. Like that. And then I'm going to take the Spam, and then I am going to cut the Spam into evenly portions, okay? All right, fresh Spam, and then I'm going to cut it and dice it. All right, so now that's diced, got the Spam prepped, okay? And then I'm going to make our brown eggs green. So I'm just going to open this up, put a bit of green dye in the eggs, right? And then I'm going to beat them. Beat the eggs, right? And you see how they're turning a nice green color, kind of like St. Patrick's Day green. All right, so I have the green eggs made, and then I'm just going to add the Spam, okay? All right, cool. And now we're ready to get cooking. All right, the pan I've been heating up, so it's ready for the green eggs and Spam to be added. All right, it's hot pan. Turn up the temperature a little bit. We're gonna scramble these, okay? So I got the green eggs and Spam. I got it in there. Great. And so now we're just gonna scramble these up. Wait for it to heat up and scramble them. All right, they're heating up, and I'm just gonna scramble the eggs. Oh man, they are looking good. Just keep on scrambling them. You see, the color really brings out the flavor of the Spam and the eggs. Maybe sprinkle a little bit of pepper on them. Sprinkle a little pepper. And they're almost done. And last but not least, gonna sprinkle a little bit of cheese for color. And that's how you make green eggs and Spam. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.